In this video, I'm going to share with you a recipe, the Wampee pork ribs. The pork ribs are succulent and tender, taste sour and sweet. Here is the main ingredient, wampee. First, clean the wampee in salt water. In the sweltering summer, the wampee fruit emerges as a delightful choice. It is sour and sweet juiciness. It's perfect for cleanse the palate. Then remove the stem and seeds. Wampee is also as a 正气 fruit. Traditional Chinese medicine believes the body's resistance and immunity are a part of 正气. This means that wampee can boost the body's immunity and resistance. Next, let's handle the fresh pork ribs. Pat the ribs dry with kitchen paper. Then add soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, green onions, and salt into the ribs. Marinate them for at least 2 hours. This allows the ribs to fully absorb the flavors of the spices, becoming even more delectable. Break up the garlic, cut the ginger into small pieces. The garlic and ginger also can boost the immunity. Once the pork ribs are ready, prepare a wok. Heat it over medium-low heat. When the wok is hot, spray some oil. Put the ribs in. Fry them until they are golden on both sides. Clean the wok, pour the oil in. Add some sugar. Stir over medium-low heat until the sugar is caramelized. Turn off the heat. Quickly fry the ginger and garlic. Then add the ribs. Toast the ribs, letting them get coated with the caramel. Finally, add wampee and stir fry again. Pop it in the heat, turn to medium-low heat. Add enough water to cover the ribs. Cover and stew for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the cover. Increase the heat to high to reduce the sauce. Once the sauce thickens, season with sugar and vinegar, adjusting the ratio according to personal preference. Stir a bit more and it's ready to serve. This tangy and sweet wampee pork ribs dish is not only rich in flavor, it also boasts healthy benefits. The earliest record of the medicinal value of the wampee fruit dates back to the medicinal book 本草纲目 from 446 years ago. The book stated the wampee fruit has the effects of promoting digestion, strengthening the spleen, regulating qi, stopping colds and phlegm. Every part of the wampee can be used medicinally, even the leaves and seeds. Modern scientific research has confirmed its richness in vitamin C, potassium, calcium, and 9 essential amino acids for the human body. The nutrients endow wampee with a variety of healthy promoting properties, including resistance and immunity, antioxidant, neuroprotective, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic effects. The unique aroma of the wampee and the juicy from the ribs make it a healthy and tasty dish, perfect for hot weather. Get cooking and enjoying the fun of creation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, then you can see more videos combines healthy and tasty.